The Boiled Egg Diet Audiobook Review. The Boiled Egg Diet, the easy, fast way to weight loss, is an audible audiobook that offers a simple and effective approach to shedding those extra pounds. With a runtime of 1 hour and 29 minutes, this audiobook provides a convenient and informative way to learn about the boiled egg diet and its benefits. This audiobook, written by Sarah Banks and narrated by Amanda Smith, aims to guide listeners through the process of following the boiled egg diet. It explains the science behind this diet and provides step-by-step instructions on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. One of the key features of this audiobook is its emphasis on the simplicity and speed of the boiled egg diet. The author claims that this diet can help you lose weight quickly and easily by incorporating boiled eggs into your meals. By following the guidelines provided in the audiobook, you can supposedly experience significant weight loss within a short period of time. Overall, the Boiled Egg Diet, the easy, fast way to weight loss audiobook offers a comprehensive and informative resource for those looking to explore the boiled egg diet as a weight loss strategy. Whether you are new to this diet or have tried it before, this audiobook provides valuable insights and guidance to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Click the link below to read more.